Hello. I'm gonna eat a dog treat again.
Again.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Wait, you have to get over here, Brett.
How are we going to know which one wins?
They have to show us their mouth. Wait, stand up. You three in line.
I'm not here.
No,
Brett's
no cheating, Brett. Watch your uncle. He will cheat. Get up. Over here.
Brett's the one I'm worried about.
Okay.
That's
Contestants.
Okay, wait. We gotta
Here are
get.
the contestants. Me, the brave
Oh my
daring, brave daring dog
Do
treating.
you need a dog treat?
Taylor,
Debbie,
the chicken that never wants to do anything. And now, Brett, I guess,
Sample.
just Brett,
Brush my teeth a little bit.
just Brett. Now,
On your mark.
Okay.
Get
Wait,
set.
Rachel,
Huh?
you ready? To
Okay,
judge
I'm
the winner.
watching them through this.
When you win, when you
Get
think
closer
you have
to-
it all chewed up and sucked down.
You have to, show us.
No,
Get closer together. Here, get in the middle
When you
there
think
so I
you
can
have
get
it
all of
all
you.
done, you have to
Get
open
it-
your mouth
get
so
in-
Rachel can call you the
Right
winner.
there, in the middle so we can all see you guys. You get over there. Okay. Okay.
One. It's funny seeing his face. 2. 3.
What? Oh, man.
Brett's going to win this thing. Taylor, you got to put that in your mouth.
Come on, Taylor.
Professional, let's go.
Come on. Wait, Brett, Taylor. I mean, Garrett.
Brett likes it.
Taylor's not making it. Come on, Garrett. Oh, don't you dare. He's disqualified. Oh, wait. Okay, Rachel, you have to announce the champion.
Well, wait a minute. He's got to finish swallowing it. I gotta finish everything.
You crazy,
That
man.
was not a pepper. That was a dog biscuit.
That was a greenie.
That's so nasty. That's the
Yeah.
grossest thing I've ever put in my mouth in my life.
that is not like the one I
No, man. I ain't nothing like the one we ate.
Jared, I can't believe you spit that out.
Wait, come on, babe. Swallow it. You are the man.
Swallow.
Come on, swallow it.
He can't do it.
Oh, he can. He's done better.
Come here, turn this way.
Go over and give Debbie a big kiss now.
You have a dog with
No, I don't want to get.
You have one that you like.
Come here, Brett.
Punch.
Let me look real good.
Happening. That was it. Oh, that
Stick
was
your
it.
tongue out.
You are the man. You tell these boys, you are the man. They're still spitting.
Yeah, you know what?
I will.
I'm glad you're good at
Eat
that.
a
So who's the winner?
Jared, I thought you was going to win that.
Rachel, who is the winner?
Oh, it's
Good bad.
Brett's the winner on that one.
You were supposed to beat me,
That's why
but you
for
didn't.
dogs.
So what?
Oh,
Oh.
now.
Uncle Brett is the champion dog biscuit eater. Yeah.
Oh,
And
I make more than him though.
Well,
And
it
I-
doesn't matter. He just whipped your butt.
No, we didn't.
Hey, you want to
Yeah.
do it again?
What?
You want to do it again?
And I think you came in third.
Third out of 3. I'll actually take that. I'm okay with that.
Hello, Sherman.
Oh, that was so priceless.
Okay, Brett.
Get another one.
Oh, Tyler's one.